That's a good fish. No. There we go. Might be big.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing OD. In today's video, I got JP behind the camera and we're gonna be fishing our first bass tournament together. Today, the big players are gonna be smallmouth, but here's the thing. The wind is blowing super hard today and only like 10 boats showed up for this tournament. Usually there's between like 20 and maybe even on the high side 30 boats in this tournament, but today like only 10 to 11 boats showed up. So hopefully we could place out of those 10 boats. That would be pretty awesome. Like I said, this is my first tournament with JP. We're gonna be doing a lot more tournaments this year as well as the next. And hopefully we get on some fish today. We have a pretty solid game plan. We just have to hope that it pays off. And as far as vlogging, the conditions aren't great. It's gonna be windy, so it's gonna be a lot of GoPro footage. And I'm gonna try to take out this camera when I can, but for the most part we're gonna be keeping this one away. But if the audio on the GoPro isn't great, I'll probably just overlay some music or something, because like I said, I think we have gusts up to like 54, 50 something kilometers per hour today. So boats are already blasting off. We're a little bit late, but we're gonna get this camera away and make our run to our spot.
All right guys, we made it to our first spot. We're gonna be drifting very fast. That's, yeah. Good fish. Oh yeah, that's good. I'll take it. My drag's a bit loose. Good fish. That was quick. Got this. Right here. He's right here. My leader's a lot longer than I remember. I said he was right here, but he's off. Not a good start to our day. I should have kept the drag loose. Fish? Good one? Let's get him in. Keep constant tension. Come on. Right here. Oh, he's not even. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. 2.5 easily, maybe even close to 3. Nice. First fish of the day. There we go. Get the net. Or at least give me the net. Oh, what the f? That ain't no fish. No, that's not a fish. If I keep missing fish, I'm gonna change hooks. These aren't my usual hooks. There we go. Might be big. Oh yeah, he's big. Oh, he's not that big, but net it. That's it. Do you mind dealing with it so I could push us back up? Second drift on the spot. So we're gonna end up drifting fast again. And I also use less trolling motor. I just hope we get 5 here. So if we could get 5, we're gonna be in a good spot. Send it close to shore. Okay. Right there. That's it. Nice one. Keep them on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't let him jump. Just lift a bit. Yeah, you got this. We're good. Come to the back. Yeah, it's just we're gonna drift into shore, so. Oh, that's a 4. That's close to 4. We're already in a good spot with 3 fish. It's a 4. If not, it's a very high 3. 4? That's good enough. That's what I was expecting. Oh, that was a giant. That was a giant, dude. That was a giant fish. I just lost a giant. When I set the hook, it felt like bottom and it just took off to the side and took my Z-Man. I feel like it wasn't a bass with the way how heavy it was. If I lose one more fish, I'm changing my hook. That's a good fish. Hurry up, yeah. Not huge, but. Right here. You ready? No. I'll tell you when. I'll tell you when. Right here. Holy shit. Nice. That's good. Woohoo! 2.5. Let me know. I'm curious.
213.
What?
212.
Cool. We gotta get rid of those. Are we at 4 fish now? Cool. Reet, reet. All right. Hopefully we could get a 4 off this spot, I mean. Nice. Come on. Keep him pinned. Oh yeah. Keep him pinned, that's big. I can't see him. We're good. Just keep fighting and focus. Bring him around to the other side of the boat. Alright. Oh, that's big. That's big. Take it. Yep. That's 4. That hits 4. All right, guys, we're heading to our next spot now. Our first spot produced us 5 really good fish. I lost a nice one. Now we're gonna go to our next spot and try to upgrade. Oh no, oh no. Getting it. Sorry, have to turn us. Nice. Oh no, it's small. Is it? No, it's not. It's not. It's not. Get the net. Yeah. So zippy. Get him in. Right here, right here. Right here, right here. That's gonna help. Right here, right here. Here. There we go. That's the type of quality that we should expect from here. All right, guys, the day's pretty much done. It was super windy, so we're just gonna go weigh in our fish now and call it a day. Not a bad bag at all, dude. These aren't bad fish. It's just we're on St. Francis. We got some pretty decent fish, guys, but I don't think it's gonna help us. I don't know how we're gonna do today. Dude, that one would have been smaller than the one we let go, I think. I think this one was smaller, but it's so fat. That fish, little but so fat. All right. Yeah, I know just by the color. Here, you want me to go out and grab it? Sure. In that case, I'll take the camera.
Nice, I graduate.
Not bad. 16.58 for 5 fish.
Alright guys, so it is a few weeks later. I didn't get to doing an outro during the tournament, but I'm in my garage. I was editing this video and I realized that I needed to close off this video for you guys. So JP and I had a fantastic day. We caught some good fish. We didn't get any big ones that we were looking for, but we had a really, really good time. And the weather was just insane. I wish I could have showed you guys this, but I couldn't risk taking out my camera. We were in some giant waves, some of the biggest waves I've ever seen. Wind was blowing up to like 59 kilometers an hour, and these waves were just massive, but it was like the ultimate test for my new boat. And after taking my boat out in that, I'm pretty confident now. Anytime I head out on the water, I see 30 kilometers of wind, 40 kilometers, I'm like, oh, that's nothing. So I can take my boat out in pretty much any conditions that my local bodies of water throw at me. I don't know if I'd be able to take my boat out on something crazy big like Lake Ontario in bad waves, because those waves get even bigger. But we were in some huge waves, like I was saying, so it was very difficult to film. It was very difficult to vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if I ever showed you guys my garage, but everything you see back here is kind of some of my stuff. It's where I hang out, rig rods, all that stuff. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video despite me not talking too much. I still have 2 more tournament videos coming for you this year. I already filmed one. We had a tournament, I think, last weekend, and we have one coming up October 16th. So stay tuned for these videos coming out. I got some new gear that I can't wait to show you guys, some new rods, some new reels that I'm going to be reviewing for my channel. I've just been having a hard time getting these videos out because, as many of you guys know, I'm not doing YouTube for a living. Obviously, I only have, like, at the time of this video, 1,500 subs. So I'm not making money from these videos yet. I recently got monetized, but obviously in the beginning, you're not going to be making much. So I can't be focusing every minute that I have to these videos because, like everybody else, I have to work right now, which honestly sucks, but it's how it is. So if I want to keep doing these videos, I have to just push through. I know I don't upload as much as some other people, but I would love to change that. I made a promise to myself to upload at least once a week. I haven't stuck to it, unfortunately, but I'm trying pretty hard to get these videos out for you guys. And I'm hoping to edit quite a few for you guys in the upcoming weeks. I have a lot of content that I'm planning. I just have to execute that for you guys. So if you guys want to support the channel, go ahead and drop a like, comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to help the channel even more, please go ahead and share my content to your friends, to whoever that you feel might enjoy my videos, because we're looking to grow. Of course, that's the end goal, is to just keep growing. I'm really happy with the growth that I've experienced over the last year, and the quality of my viewers is just awesome. You guys are great. Every time I meet one of you guys, it just seems like you guys have nothing but good things to say, and I really, really appreciate that. So like I said, I'll be trying to get some content for you guys soon, some new videos, some new gear, all that stuff. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.